Hey guys, we're here today to check out 2 new products. Y'all have been waiting for these, so have I. So let's do this emergency unboxing and get some first thoughts on the new Jeffree Star Liquid Frost liquid highlighters in shade Ice Queen and Frozen Peach. Oh my gosh, I'm so discording. Ice Queen and Frozen Peach. You want to check it out? Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have kind of an emergency interruption of your normal programming. We have Jeffree Star Liquid Frost. I was lucky enough to get a couple of these on launch day. I got Ice Queen and Frozen Peach, if you can see those. So I wanted to kind of come to you guys and show you what they are because there are not many reviews out there of them yet. I ordered them when they first came out and I'm just opening the carton right now. And I just got them delivered today. So super fast shipping, totally awesome. Frosted glass bottle. Super cute. Sorry, my lighting is a little intense right now. Jeffree Star pink for the top. These do say that you need to shake them. It says apply product with a damp beauty sponge, synthetic brush, or fingers. Can be applied on any part of the face and body that you want to accentuate. Okay, so we're just shaking the shit out of it right now. This is a shade Frozen Peach. So we turn it and this little guy pops up here, see? And then you actually turn, I got my little jacket on, it's a little chilly here. Then you unscrew it, top comes off, we have an amazing dropper, and I'm just going to drop one little drop here. Ooh, that's actually a lot, oh boy. And let's see what the swatch looks like. Okay, can we see that? It's very wet looking. There is a lot of glitter in here. No, it's micro glitter, but it's still glitter. Oh, I'm sorry. I have so much stuff on my desk because this isn't the only thing I bought. I have some other surprises for you guys. So there's the swatch. It's running down. We're going to try to apply some of this. Mind you, my makeup has been on all damn day. But this foundation, y'all, we're going to talk about it later, but it's the new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Thank you, Alyssa Ashley. I've been trying it out for y'all. I'll give you a scoop on that later. But for right now, I'll pull up my mirror here. We're just putting this straight off of my hand. And now, I just got these. Y'all just see me open them. It does have a bit of glitter. I'll zoom you in here in a minute, but it really is not as intense as I expected from Jeffree. And here's what it looks like blended out on my hand. Like it actually looks pretty intense there. Maybe I just need to really layer it. So let's try a bit more. Cause I like to glow, y'all. You gotta know I'm coming. I'm not a subtle type of girl. That's a bit better. Now this one is called Frozen Peach, but comes off kind of lavender. I'll see if I can't get some better shots for you. It's okay. It's not what I expected. I'm gonna have to play with it some more. On the face, it looks good. It actually matches pretty well with my hair, and that's peach, so that's very weird to me. Okay, let's get this other hand out here. Now we're gonna look into Ice Queen. Now this is just first impressions, y'all, because I don't know anything. I'm taking them out the box right now. Like I legit, you see this? Just got the box. So I just got this stuff. So we're nice and shaken up again. Same thing. Twist, pops up, finish twisting, it comes off. We have the dropper. This one looks a bit deeper. Oop, we got a big old drop there. So then let's see. Can you see? That one's a bit more pinky toned. I don't know if you can see that or not. I need to work on these lights for y'all. I'm trying to like move things around here. Okay, we're gonna try this Ice Queen on this other side. Again, a lot of micro glitter. I'm not normally a glitter highlight type of person. I'm just gonna dot my nose too. Dot, dot, dot. Okay, I'm just taking this off my hand, y'all, to see. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I think we need more. Let's see if we can build this. Need to glow all the way to God's, Jeffy. All the way to the... Okay. Alright, well, there we go. But I think we got a little too much on here. Because holy balls. Now, I glow in the dark. So now up close, I am going to say this does accentuate. I'm putting it over the top of the other one because this one's giving me life and this one's just giving me eh. So we are wet, we are flossed, and we are glossed. Like, it's giving me alien vibes. It totally goes with my hair though. This side, not so much. So I'm feeling this side. In person, you can see it is a bit purple. Do you see the micro glitter? No, you can totally see the texture in my skin. And the fact that I've been wearing this foundation for like 12 hours now, actually 14. What do I think? Guys, I'm underwhelmed. Honestly, I expected the amazingness of these highlighters. This is the, I think this was, what collection was this? I don't even remember what collection this was. But this is the Crystal Ball highlighter. And this was awesome. Now it does get a little bit of a kind of crust on it. And it just like melts into your skin. So this, like, it's not sticky. Definitely the Ice Queen, it gave me some ice. It made me feel like a queen. You know what? Hold up a minute. Here we go. Here we go. Ice Queen vibes. Yes. On this side. This side, underwhelming. Like, it gives you more of a natural glow, but it looks like you've been like sneezed on by a unicorn. Is that a thing? I think it's a thing. But for real thoughts, y'all. Let's get real for a minute. Jeffree, I love you. I love your products. I think you are amazing. As a human being, you're fun, you're intelligent, you're a great businessman, and you're beautiful. These products, though, not what I expected from you. I didn't expect, I think what's throwing me off, y'all. This is Ice Queen. Beautiful packaging. Absolutely beautiful. I will keep it front and center on my desk. But what's throwing me off is the glitter. The glitter. So, just, I don't know. I mean, they blend in nicely to the skin. Like, they're not sticky. So as a body highlight, I think these are going to be amazing. But on my face, yeah, unless I'm like going to a festival or a 5-year-old's birthday party. I mean, or let's be real, I might be sitting in my room drinking wine wearing all this glitter, but in my everyday life there isn't a place for all the glitter. I just wish that there was less glitter in it. That's my first thought. I've owned these for all of like 10 minutes I've had them in my hands. So, I don't know. My first thought is underwhelming. I'm going to play with them some more and I will give you a follow-up soon. It usually takes me a week or two to get a real feel for products. So I'm going to play with them in different ways and I'll let you know. But right now, this is $50 worth of glitter in my hands, y'all. But this side of me loves it. So, anyways, I am going to go call my night an end. Call an end to my night. Is that the right word of it? But I'm gonna call it quits for tonight, and I will see you all soon. Bye.